All right, converting a corn tortilla machine into a tamale machine. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package. This one right here. It has all the parts. So once it gets converted, this is what it looks like. Basically the same, but there's a board as a base to keep it balanced. Okay, so what you're going to want to remove is a few things. For sure, this part right here, you're not going to need it. So for sure you get rid of that. And then these are the other parts that you are going to remove from this machine right here. So you can see the parts right there, and then underneath you won't be able to see these right here. And then this roller right here is this one right here. So underneath this machine, you'll notice that it has a little compartment right there. You will remove that piece of metal, and you will have to replace the screw that it comes with to a much longer one. That way you can put it on a base like so. Okay, so all you need is a screwdriver. I suggest you get a nice strong one. And to remove the parts, let's see, you're gonna have to press down on here, and then this one comes off real easy like so. So that's off. Now the other parts are in here. Can you see that part right there? Okay, so what I'm going to remove is this part, this right here. That's what it looks like when you take it off. That's what I'm going to remove. It's a little, this one looks like it's going to be easy. So there, I removed it. I removed the screw. I'm going to go ahead and remove the screw on the other side. Got it? I'll edit the Okay, so the next part, the next area, you have to be very careful because there's a spring in there. This is very strong. What you're gonna do is, oh, one of them popped off by itself, which is awesome. But usually that doesn't happen. Just be very careful that you don't get hurt. So there it goes. You have to kind of stand back. So there's the parts that you removed, that you will have to remove. And the other part is, you will take this off. You got it in the picture. You take this thingy off, and off that pops off. So you will not need, oh shoot. So you will not need this, and you will not need this. You're going to need a longer screw because that's not long enough to go through the platform. So there you have it. Just make sure you find a platform that's, I don't know, how many inches is that? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 6 inches longer on this, on one of the ends, on the end where the handle's not going to be. Okay, one adjustment that you will need to make is, it's up to you. You decipher the thickness of the separation of the two rollers. And the way you adjust that is by turning these two little knobbies right here. So it's up to you how thick you want your masa on your corn husk. So there you have it. And this beats having to spread it with a spoon or on a tortilla presser, because tortilla pressers tend to put too much masa, so you're wasting masa when you use a tortilla presser. With this one, it goes on real thin. So there you have it. That's how fast it goes. So what I do is I make prepare a lot of corn husks with the masa, and then I start rolling the meat. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this. So here's the way you roll up a tamale. You put on your meat like so, and that's about a tablespoon and a half or maybe 2. And you start folding from the side. You always put it close to one end, but not completely close, because you need that to go over the meat. And then you start rolling. Then when you go to fold it, where the opening is, you always fold it the opposite, so that when you're cooking it, it doesn't come apart. So there you have it.